When we created the community module for New Tempo Piano, what we were trying to achieve was creating something like the Facebook or the Twitter of piano. And so we wanted to have a website in which you can use a lot of the features that exist on Facebook and that exist on Twitter in a place talking specifically about piano things. And so our community module is actually pretty robust. We have a feature where it's very similar to Facebook, where you can just post your activity updates. And so if you go here, you can see the activity for the entire website. I won't scroll through all of them. If you wanted to do a status update, it's very similar to the way Facebook works. You can just post a status update here and click the post update button and it will show up there. But before I do that, I just want to show you one thing. You can post the status updates in a number of different areas. So you can post it in your profile, or you can post it in any of the groups that you belong to. And because I'm an admin, I belong to pretty much all the groups that are on this website right now. But I just wanted to show you that you can post it on your profile, or you can post it in a particular group. And then all you have to do is just click the update button. We have a number of different community features. We have the activity feed, which is very similar to what Facebook does and Twitter does. We also have groups, and we have forums. Now, an important thing to note is also, just like with Facebook, you can send particular replies to specific people. So, for example, if I wanted to send something to Bernadette, which her username is Berna1201, I would just go at Berna1201. Hi, and she would get the status update because I'm sending it to at Bernadette1201. It's a feature that's very similar to Facebook, and we know that individuals wanted it, so we put that in there. With the forums, they're actually pretty simple. They're all organized here. Now, an important thing to know about the forums is it's not a traditional forum that you may be used to. Our forum is actually based on our groups, and so each group had its own separate forum, but we made sure to put a link here so that you can see the traditional forum view, in which all of the forum topics will be here independent of whatever group that they're in. And so you can look at all the individual topics, or if you just want to look at topics by an individual group, you can go and look at the groups and you can see the different topics in there. We have a difference between all topics and then any topics that you have started and or are following. They would be in your My Topics link. And if you wanted to post a new topic, it's pretty simple. There's just a link here that says New Topic. You can click New Topics and it will do that. Then finally, we can just go to Groups, in which you'll see all the groups that exist, again, on the New Tempo website. That will be here. And then if you are a part of any group, it will be in the My Group section. If there's a group that you would like to belong to, all you have to do is simply click on any one of the groups and then click the Add to Group, or Join Group, I think is the name of the link. Click the Join Group link that's right there on the top, and you'll be able to join the group. And inside of that group, you will see an admin section that's actually pretty similar to the activity section that's on the front end of the website, which looks like this. If you notice, they look pretty similar. We set it up that way so that you don't get too confused, but you go in here and you can see all of the activities for this particular group. So any questions, any status updates, any links, anything that's related to that group will be here. And then you can also see all the members, as well as you can see the forum posts, as I was saying before. So each group has its own particular forum, and you can see just a specific forum post for this group there. And so there are a number of different features that exist on the website in the community module, but we found that it's really helpful if you're able to explore it yourself. If you do have any questions, please feel free to put it in the support forum, and we will answer them as quickly as we can.